Hello, everybody. So, I haven't been on in a while. I've been dealing with personal issues. But I do want to talk about something about um, meeting people where they're at. A lot of times we don't see people for a long time. And, time, there's things that happen, new experiences, growing up, all of that can change the way people are. And we expect them to be the same way we remember them, but they're not. Their new experiences actually mold them just like they mold us. So it's very important to remember to meet people where they're at. Give them a chance so you can experience them in the way they are now, not in the past. You'll judge them, and it's okay, just like they'll judge you at first. A lot of them, right? So when they have a bad memory of you, maybe you were and maybe you were into drugs, maybe you had made bad choices, or maybe they did, or maybe you both did, right? It's okay. Just remember, don't be afraid. Don't back down. You be you so they can experience you in the now, the new you, right? Let them experience you now. And then their visions of you will change as well. Time changes people. Choices change people. If you don't meet people where they're at, then you're going to let them have the experience they had a long time ago with you, right? So they'll never know who you are now. And you'll be stuck knowing, them of the past, but not them now. You don't have to do, as my sister said so eloquently, a dog and pony show to prove who you are. Just be yourself. Stay calm. Enjoy yourself. Have good conversations. Love and laughter is key. Okay? Ask them how they've been, what they've been up to. Share. Share. You're interesting. You know you are. You're interesting because you're unique and you're different. And I'm sure that you've been through a lot of stuff that's happy too, that you could share. Okay? And maybe, and just maybe, you'll find that the new experience was really good and that you would have regretted it if you didn't go. Let that sink in. Okay, so I have a couple minutes, like 3 minutes and 37 seconds to make this video. I am going to be doing healing cooking shops. So I'm going to be doing some videos and cooking that you might be interested in. It actually is very soothing and fun. So I like to have fun. I haven't been quite around lately because I've had a lot of studies and I'm learning how to diagnose appropriately patients. So I've been pretty busy, you know. Everybody has a busy life, right? Busy bees. But I hope you join me and you like the videos that I post. It's going to be part of my Welcome to Now series. But the videos, I will instruct you guys, if you're watching them, what part of the brain it helps and how it can really take you out of those dark moments. The stuck moments. Sometimes it's, you don't ask to be stuck, right? You wake up and suddenly, I don't know where to start the day. I've got so much to do. And then it compiles, right? When you procrastinate. but there's ways to get through that. And we're going to take it one moment at a time, and you're going to be okay. Okay? You got to believe in yourself, you know, and this is an activity that I'd like you to join me to do. And if you like it, keep coming back. I'm going to keep posting those videos. The first series is going to be cooking. We're going to cook all kinds of things, bake things, and taste things. Maybe get a little crazy in the kitchen. It'll be nice. And then after that, I'm going to welcome another series that you can try if that one didn't work so well. But during the videos, we're going to talk about things. Sometimes it's, you know, when you're cooking, you can come up with all kinds of things to talk about. Now, on my videos, because I'll be cooking, I'm not going to be having them open for discussion or comments. And I'm sorry about that, but if I'm dealing with bread, I don't want to touch my phone and get it all sticky. The comments will be open, but it's not going to be live. They're just I'm going to make the videos and then post them, and then you can comment, and then I'll go back and look at your comments and comment on your comments. Unless they're inappropriate, and then I'll just be like, again, another troll. So I hope you guys have been doing well this year, and that your stress levels are down and you've been finding really fun activities. I know the world's a little crazy. That's stressful, right? We don't know what's happening. You know, I'm a praying woman, so I keep my two hands together and wish that everybody just makes peace, right? But sometimes peace comes out of chaos, unfortunately. But anyways, on a lighter subject, let me put in the comments some ideas that you want me to do, and I will make some videos of them, you know. And I also have an exercise video that's coming out, and I've got a before and after picture of how much weight I've lost. Mine was mainly, I wasn't actually trying at that point. I mean, I was a little bit, but then something came up, and I got a little depressed, and I couldn't eat. But then I got mindful, and so I'll go into that, how things can get to you, and how to come out of it, and also when to show up for people and when to let go. Okay? All right, just remember, be peaceful to people, even if they're not peaceful to you. If they're not nice to you, you can walk away without guilt. Okay? Hopefully we can all be peaceful. Anyways, I love you guys, and I'm really sorry I haven't shown up for a while. I appreciate you guys still being on my page and watching my videos. You're amazing. Please like, share, and subscribe. I really, my videos get out to more people that do help, that it can help. The more people subscribe and comment, you know, it really does help some people. Okay? And I appreciate each and every one of you. Bye.